So this is a new way I've come up with to cook bacon. I lay it out on parchment paper and baking sheets and bake it in the oven. And it's about 25-30 minutes. And the thing I like most about this way of cooking it is that you don't have to tend it all the time. My previous way of cooking bacon is in a pretty deep frying pan that I put a bunch of saved bacon grease in, making like an inch or so deep. And then I can lay down a row and then a row crosswise and then another row, and I can put in several layers of it before it's not under the grease. And it's basically deep fried in bacon grease. And that was nice because I could put a lid on the pan and let it cook for about 3 minutes and then come back and kind of stir it to break them up so they won't stick to each other. And this is what that looks like. When I did that batch of bacon, I also cooked all these chicken legs in the 2 ovens. And those are all the chicken legs in ziplocks ready to be frozen. And there's the bacon all in ziplocks ready to be frozen. And I made a bunch of sandwiches as well. So I do all my cooking at home and then basically microwave, or the sandwiches don't even need microwaving when I'm on the boat.